Hello guys, today we are going to do an integral which would be quite common in a Calc 1 exam. I have something like this for you guys. The integral of x to the power of 3 multiplied by the constant of e to the power of minus 1/4 x to the power of 4 dx, because it's an integral and the limits are from 0 to infinity. And the first step is to identify which method you need to use, and it's quite clearly that you need use substitution, because if you differentiate this part, the x to the power of 4, you get something times x to the power of 3. So I guess just do that. U is equal to this part, meaning minus 1/4 x to the power of 4. And if you use substitution method, you need to differentiate both sides, meaning du equals to minus x to the power of 3, because if you multiply this part by the power of 4, you get minus 1, and you need to subtract 1 from this. Then you have to put dx because you differentiate it, and we need dx alone because there dx is alone as well. So let's just do that. Du divided by minus x to the power of 3 equals to dx. And now we have that, we can just put it in here. Now we have the integral from 0 to infinity, e to the power of u. Then we still have that x to the power of 3 times, we substitute dx for this, meaning we can multiply it by du and divided by minus x to the power of 3. Then this and that just cancels, meaning just minus remains, which would mean this. And because you multiply it, you can just put that at the front. Then we still have that du. Now we can integrate this, because it's common knowledge that this is just, if you integrate e to the power of u, it's just e to the power of u. And because we have minus at the front, we still keep that e to the power of u. Normally plus c plus a constant, but we are having a limit from 0 to infinity, so we don't need that. This will just remain, but to the limit of from 0 to infinity. And we can of course resubstitute u in, meaning at the end of the day it would be minus e to the power of 1 divided by 4 x to the power of 4 from 0 to infinity. So now we can calculate the area from 0 to infinity with the usage of limit. A equals if we substitute a first for infinity, it would be minus e to the power of 1/4 a to the power of 4, but we have limit if a goes to infinity, minus e 1/4, and instead of u or x there's the 0, meaning 0 to the power of 4 now we can calculate this. If we put infinity in there to the power of 4, it's still plus infinity times 1/4 is still plus infinity, but multiplying plus infinity times minus, it's minus infinity, and e to the power of minus infinity is just 0. This all is 0, and minus multiplied by 0 is still 0. This means 0 minus, and what's next is 0 to the power of 4 is still 0, times this is still 0, times this is still 0. E to the power of 0, it's 1, meaning minus 1, and 0 minus minus 1 is just 1. There we have it, a quick little video for you guys. I know my English might be not that good, but I'm still trying to advance in it. Yeah, bye.